Tips on how to clean your marble floors. Marble floors add a luxurious and elegant look to any home, but they also need proper care to stay shiny and beautiful. The good news is that cleaning marble floors is simple if you use the right methods and products. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the floor daily to remove dust and dirt. Small particles can scratch the marble surface over time, so regular cleaning helps protect its natural shine. Always use a soft microfiber mop with warm water for routine cleaning. Avoid using rough scrubbers because they can damage the smooth marble finish and leave dull marks on the surface. Choose a pH-neutral cleaner specially made for marble floors. Harsh chemicals like vinegar, bleach, or lemon juice can weaken the stone and cause permanent stains or etching. If you spill tea, coffee, oil, or juice, clean it immediately. Marble absorbs liquids quickly, and delayed cleaning may leave difficult stains that are hard to remove later. To maintain the shine, dry the floor after mopping. Excess water can create water spots and reduce the glossy appearance of the marble over time. Using rugs near entrances and furniture pads under chairs also helps prevent scratches. These simple habits can keep your marble floors looking new for many years. With regular care and gentle cleaning, marble floors can remain stunning, glossy, and elegant while adding timeless beauty to your home every single day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.